Have you guys been looking for an alternative set of earbuds, comparing them to like the Apple AirPod Pros, some Galaxy earbuds, even the Pixel earbuds, or even whatever else you guys are using out there like Beats or something like that? Today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro wireless earbuds, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I had these mugs for over a week so far, and they are now my daily driver. When I heard the sound quality of them, and also when I was on the phone with just like people in general, they're telling me they're able to hear me very loud and it's crispy and everything. You know, Apple, they got the active noise cancellation, but once you have that on, you sound kind of like digitalized or muffled. But in these SoundPEATS, I sound very clear. It's insane, dude. Like straight up, man. So today we're gonna go ahead and talk about these Air5 Pros, and I want to know your honest thoughts about them right here down in the comment section. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So these right here are the Air5 Pros from SoundPEATS. Bro, the freaking design of these earbuds are actually kind of nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love that it has a small compact case, so it's really, you know, nothing extra going into your pocket. Now the case is slightly bigger than the Apple AirPod Pro 2 case, but me personally, I don't care about it at all. The size does not really, that sounds crazy. Anyway, bro, like it's cool, man. Basically what I'm trying to tell y'all. I really like the actual design of it. It's like in like a little small little cylinder case, but also on top of that, once you actually open this mug up, it's like the earbuds inside of them have their own type of throne. Hey, I'm a guy, I love texture, I love design. This right here is straight fire, bro. And then on top of that too, they even have like their own embroidered logo up in there saying you can hear the difference. It's also even on the earbuds as well. This bringing more overall quality to the actual, you know, product. Now, moving on from the design aspect, of course, we all want to know about the actual features in it. I've already touched on just like two of them at the beginning. This pretty much talking about, you know, the sound quality of it, but also on top of that, the actual call quality. These headphones right here are actually going to be operated by 6 different mics. It's going to ensure that we are going to have enhanced call quality. So therefore, you don't have to worry about being in a super loud environment and, you know, wondering like, oh snap, can somebody hear me? These earbuds are already protected to do that. So they have 3 microphones on each earbud that obviously brings up to 6. That is straight fire as well. Also on top of that, the active noise cancellation is even fire as well. I had put them in my ear just a few moments ago and I was like, dang, I said I haven't tried the active noise cancellation. I had them for a week. It's crazy. I don't like ANC at all, honestly, but these right here, they just felt, I guess it's because I'm at home too and I tried them, but they just felt straight premium. It felt better, way much better than what Apple does, because with Apple's, I feel like that there's and it may be like the actual ear muffs itself, when I plug them in and I have the ANC on, it feel like that I can't feel nothing around me. But these headphones right here, they have the active noise cancellation, but it also allows you to like feel your atmosphere around you. It's crazy, bro. It could just be me, but I don't care, man. The ANC on these earbuds are straight fire, dog. You will not have any single regrets at all. Now these earbuds also do support high-res audio and also Snapdragon sound as well. So if you guys have any type of products out here that uses Snapdragon sound, these earbuds is going to work seamlessly with them, and you're still going to be able to get that same premium sound quality that you always love and look for. Now let's go over to the battery life, because battery life to me with earbuds is always my favorite thing to go over, just because, you know, I need to make sure that this is going to be a solidified, you know, replacement, just in case if my AirPods go, you know, go missing, because man, I lose those pretty much almost every day. It's actually sad. Like straight up, man. Now you can actually go ahead and get up to 37 hours of battery life while using these headphones here. Now that's going to be approximately about like 7.5 hours for each earbud. But then also on top of that, all you have to do is put these earbuds on the charger for this 10 minutes, and that's going to guarantee you to get 2 hours of battery life usage on these earbuds. That's crazy work to me. Like Bro, hey, I'm cool. I'm really cool with this for sure. Like I said, I've been using this for the past week and I've not had any sort of issues with it at all. Now for the touch controls on these earbuds, you actually do get to go ahead and do a couple good things on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this document and read them off real quick. That way I can be 100% accurate. Now on the left earbud, you can go ahead and turn your volume down. And also for the left or right one, you can go ahead and press play, answer calls, hang up calls. For the right one, you can go ahead and press play or either turn the music up. For the left one, I think this is like a volume adjuster. I'm not 100% for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much what you got up on there, man. That's pretty cool that we do have at least those. But like I said, I wish it was a little bit more on the premium side where you can like slide it up and down, or even have like the head gestures and stuff. But this is stuff that could could be coming in the future, who knows? So hey, I ain't mad at it, man. SoundPEATS so far is doing real good on it. Now these SoundPEATS also do come with their own separate application as well. The app is going to be called the Peats Audio. Now this app right here allows us to do a lot of crazy things too to the earbuds, which I'm even happier about. Let's go on and talk about those real quick, because I think y'all are definitely gonna love this. Now with inside the app, we do have a feature in there called mode switch. This pretty much allows you to change, you know, like the settings of your earbuds, meaning as in, like, you know, if you want the active noise cancellation on, you want transparency mode on, or you just want to go ahead and use the normal earbuds, you know, the normal way. Now also on top of that, you can go ahead and do custom EQ mode as well. So, you know, if you don't like the default settings, go up and there, change it yourself. You can do what you want to do. But this is a feature that I really actually was like, there is no way. Like, there is no way at all. They actually have a find your earbuds method inside of the actual app itself. Pretty much all you're doing is the same exact thing. It's something similar to like Find My iPhone or whatever, where you can find your AirPods or whatever. But this is going to be built inside of the app. All you pretty much have to do is pair it. Make sure one of your earbuds is obviously going somewhere. It actually has a map on there that is going to say, hey, make sure you accept these settings, and boom, you get to go find your own, you know, earbud, or even the case as well. It looks like all it's pretty much doing is playing a simple sound from it, and it's pretty much already, you know, what we normally are used to. So tell me, would you guys go ahead and pick up these SoundPEATS earbuds for a replacement or even a primary use for your AirPods or whatever else you guys are using for your daily driver? Let me know. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.